Chuchie Ledesma, a professional makeup artist, training consultant for beauty brands and organizations, and a freelance writer for agencies, publications, and private individuals. My work as a writer for a wellness magazine back in 2009 paved the way for my becoming a makeup artist. My job as a freelance makeup artist eventually helped open doors for me to become a training consultant for local and international beauty brands such as L'Oreal, Maybelline, MAC, Human Nature. Because of my experience, I was also able to conduct beauty and sales training for companies like Philip Morris International, City of Dreams Manila, SM Hypermarket, Shoppertainment Live PH, and the recently concluded L'Oreal and TikTok's Digital Beauty Academy. I chose to enroll in AIJC Graduate School because it not only provides top-notch education to those who are considering further studies like me, but it also offers distance learning education, which is also a big plus considering my work schedule. With this setup, the school gave me the chance to pursue my lifelong dream of getting a master's degree while also allowing me to still manage to have more time to work on a job that I love and also to spend time with my family. As one of my grad school professors would say, AIJC is big on encouraging work-life and school-life balance. I'm currently taking up Masters in Journalism. So since I already have my bachelor's degree in journalism, I think it's but right to take it a notch higher by enrolling in the same course if I want to make my foundation stronger. In this time of rampant disinformation, filled with unfiltered data, I chose to arm myself with more knowledge about the enemy and how to outsmart it if I can totally defeat it. Instead of whining and ranting on my social media pages, I know I have to learn how to train harder so I can efficiently sift through the clutter and become a part of the solution. Also, each AIJC journalism class never fails to remind me how to be a responsible human being in every way possible. Because whatever I say and put out into the world can and will definitely affect how others would see the same world we all are in. So as a communicator or a journalist, I have the power to spark change or destroy dreams. If I don't know how to wield this kind of power, I can almost always do the latter. I may have been practicing journalism on a part-time basis, but majority of what I do as a trainer and a makeup artist has got a lot to do with communications too. So, of course, it is a big help for me when it comes to writing better articles and creating clear training modules for my students. One of the things that I enjoy about my classes at AIJC is that they're all held online. And another thing, I always look forward to quick consultation sessions with my professors before and after class because but then I get to learn a lot from their experiences. So, and it also leaves me in awe whenever they share some of their tips and tricks in dealing with the real world. Add to that, another thing that I enjoy is my chikahan sessions with my classmates at AIJC. At the end of the day, it's just me and my desire to excel as a student. After all, I'm paying for my studies right now. So I believe in giving my best, be it in learning or at work, because this is one of my ways of worshiping God, my grace and gift giver. So He's the one who gave me the opportunity and resources to pursue my graduate studies.